General Availability Alert, TMDL Visual Studio Code Extension. If you're working with TMDL documents in Power BI projects, the Tabular Model Definition Language, TMDL extension is a must-have to streamline and elevate your semantic modeling as code experience. How to get started? Install the TMDL extension from the Visual Studio Marketplace to accelerate your semantic model development. DAX support. Enjoy improved readability with semantic highlighting, real-time diagnostics, and autocomplete for DAX inside TMDL documents. Localization. Hover descriptions and code action messages now adapt to your Visual Studio Code language settings for a consistent authoring experience. Code actions. Quickly fix and refactor issues like duplicated lineage tags and misspelled properties. Code navigation. Navigate TMDL objects effortlessly through a clean hierarchical structure. Code formatting. Automatically format your TMDL code for readability and consistency. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.